Discipline, the forgotten superpower. Discipline is one of the most powerful forces a human being can develop. Yet modern culture rarely presents it as power. It is often portrayed as restriction, punishment, rigidity, boredom. But true discipline is not oppression. It is self-direction. Without discipline, potential remains unrealized. Vision remains incomplete. Talent remains inconsistent. Discipline is what converts possibility into reality. Modern systems condition people toward immediacy, fast entertainment, fast validation, fast stimulation, fast comfort. This weakens endurance. Many people now struggle with sustained focus, delayed gratification, consistency, repetition without instant reward. But most meaningful achievements require prolonged effort before visible results appear. Discipline bridges that gap. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is structural. Motivation rises and falls based on mood, circumstances, inspiration, environment. Discipline continues regardless. A person dependent only on motivation becomes inconsistent. A disciplined person acts even when tired, uninspired, uncertain, uncomfortable. This creates momentum. Many believe discipline removes freedom. Often the opposite is true. Lack of discipline creates financial instability, physical decline, emotional chaos, weak focus, dependence on impulse. Discipline creates control, stability, competence, reliability, self-respect. Structure expands capability. Human identity is heavily influenced by repetition. What you repeatedly do becomes habit, behavior pattern, character, lifestyle. Eventually, repetition becomes automatic. This means discipline is not merely about isolated actions. It is about constructing identity through repeated behavior. Every meaningful path encounters resistance. Resistance appears as laziness, doubt, distraction, excuses, fatigue, fear of failure. Discipline is the ability to continue despite resistance, not because the task feels pleasant, but because the objective matters more than temporary discomfort. Each time a person breaks promises to themselves, self-trust weakens. Over time, this creates hesitation, low confidence, internal instability. Discipline rebuilds trust internally. When actions consistently align with intentions, confidence increases, identity stabilizes, integrity strengthens, self-respect often grows through kept commitments. Talent is frequently overvalued. Discipline often surpasses raw talent over time. A highly talented but inconsistent person may stagnate. A disciplined person continues improving through repetition and adaptation. Consistency compounds. Small, repeated actions over years often outperform occasional intensity. Undirected energy disperses. Disciplined energy accumulates. Without structure, attention scatters. Goals drift. Time disappears. Potential dissolves into distraction. Discipline concentrates effort toward intentional outcomes. It converts scattered force into focused momentum. Discipline is developed gradually, not through dramatic declarations, but through repeated execution. Practical foundations include structured routines, clear priorities, environmental control, reduced distractions, accountability, consistent sleep and health patterns. Discipline is trained through repetition under resistance. Many people search for secret methods, hidden shortcuts, or sudden transformation. But often the greatest advantage is simple: the ability to continue learning, to continue building, to continue refining, to continue despite mood fluctuation. Discipline is not glamorous, but it quietly shapes destinies. Discipline becomes a superpower when a person learns to act consistently beyond emotion, distraction, and temporary resistance.